Hi there, my name's Savannah. I'm the CandidCommoner on Etsy. I have been selling this lovely little set of Christmas Village houses that you can print and cut or cut using a vinyl and paper cutter machine. And I was asked to make a tutorial on how to assemble the little houses once they're cut. So I am going to go over that. Now I cut mine with a silhouette today. I got all 6 cut out. If you don't have a cutting machine, you'll want to be sure to use a straight edge and a scoring tool to make the fold lines. It'll make your life a lot easier. Then once you have them all the fold lines scored, I like to bend everything into shape before adding the glue. You're going to add the glue to the tabs outside face, because once we fold it up, those are going to go on the inside. I chose to use glue tape just because it's a little easier for a quick video. You can use this kind of glue, you can use stick glue, you could even use school glue. Doesn't really have to be too fancy because we're just working with cardstock. And assemble the base of the house by putting the glued tab inside the outermost wall. And this house's roof is the most complicated of the 6. Requires a little bit of back and forth folding. And then I press each surface against the tabs and use my fingers inside the house to press the tab against the roof piece. It takes a little doing. But it's not too complex. This house has an extra flap for stability, so you'll glue that on top. And then that's what the house should look like at the end. With the next house, we fold the edges and all 4 walls before adding the glue again. Press the wall tab against the last wall. Push the roof tabs in on one side and then apply the adjacent roof. And there's the second house. folding the fold lines again first, and then the glue. On this one, watch out for that middle bump there. That middle bump is a fireplace, fire stack. So it is not intended to be glued, so you'll skip that so that it stays stuck up. And again, push the roof tabs in and then press the roof onto it. Had a little bit of extra piece there, not weeded out. Same thing with this house. There is a chimney, so don't fold that bit in. Press the wall tab into the last wall, and then press those two partial tabs down against the roof, and then get the other side of the roof attached to the inside of the opposite tabs. This house is taller than the others, so it'll give a little variance to the village. And same thing as before. It's a pretty simple project. And then the last one, folding all the edges, getting the glue on there. Finally getting the roof together. And then you have 6 beautiful paper houses. It can go on a cute little hill and make your own Christmas village. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any trouble putting things together, or the files are troublesome with working with your machine, whether it be a Cricut or a Silhouette or a Brother Scan and Cut, uh, feel free to give me a buzz on Etsy or my email, which is hello@candidcommoner.com. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck and happy cutting.